welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready for Christmas clean with me. This week is Christmas, so I just have a list of things that I need to do to get ready. I need to just basically take care of like this end of the house, like the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, the guest bathroom, things like that. I have everything. All right, so this is my list. I need to do some laundry. I need to just like tidy the house. I need to clean the bathroom. I'm gonna change out all like the hand towels and all the stuff in the bathroom. I have Christmas ones, so I wanna put those out. I need to clean this table, which just collects stuff. I usually work and like edit at this table, so it collects all of my work stuff. I need to dust, vacuum. I want to mop the floors. I want to clean all the appliances, and then I just want to move all this stuff and set up the desk downstairs. So that is my list. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna make a coffee and maybe just have like a protein shake because I'm ready to work. It's 9 o'clock on Sunday, so you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow, but we'll see how long that it takes me. So let's get started.
Snow for Christmas night. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Don't you think that the holidays should be all about love? Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of. I bought a tree, we can dress together. Oh, I put a turkey to roast, stuffed with nutmeg, apple, and butter. So now I'm asking you, hoping you'll take this ride. Do you wanna make plans with me for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Girl, why don't we now? Why don't we now? Don't you think that the holidays should be all about love? Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we now? Why don't we? Why don't we? Why don't we now? Make it our Christmas. Why don't we now?
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I got everything done. My house is nice and clean and ready for Christmas. Let's just hope it stays that way. We don't have much going on this week, so we should be able to stay on top of everything. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited for this upcoming weekend after Christmas to take this all down. It's just too much stuff for me, and it's like, gets my anxiety going. I'm gonna leave a few things out. I'm gonna leave, I think, my reindeer. I'm gonna leave like the greenery and some things like that, but like everything else, it's out of here. And I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Happy holidays.